Are you curious about the exotic and delightful world of passion fruit? This small, vibrant fruit not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also offers a multitude of health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the various advantages of passion fruit and discover some creative and delicious ways to incorporate it into your daily life. Let's start by looking at the nutritional value of passion fruit. This fruit is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, vitamin A, dietary fiber, and various antioxidants. These nutrients play a significant role in maintaining your overall health. Now let's delve into the incredible health benefits of passion fruit. The high vitamin C content in passion fruit helps boost your immune system, making it more resilient against illnesses. The dietary fiber in passion fruit promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. It's a natural way to keep your digestive system on track. The antioxidants in passion fruit are great for your skin, helping combat free radicals and keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. The potassium in passion fruit is excellent for heart health. It helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart diseases. The dietary fiber in passion fruit can help you feel full for longer, making it a great snack for those looking to manage their weight. Now that we know about the benefits, let's explore some of the best ways to use passion fruit. Extract the seeds from the fruit, blend them with a bit of water and honey, and enjoy a refreshing and nutritious passion fruit juice. Add passion fruit seeds to your fruit salad to give it a tangy and exotic twist. The seeds' unique flavor pairs well with other fruits like mango, kiwi, and pineapple. Passion fruit can add a zesty kick to your smoothies. Combine it with yogurt, banana, and a touch of honey for a tropical delight. Use passion fruit as a topping for ice cream, sorbet, or cheesecake. Its tartness can balance the sweetness of these treats. Create a vibrant passion fruit vinaigrette by mixing passion fruit juice with olive oil, vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Drizzle it over your salads for a burst of flavor. Cook down passion fruit with sugar and spices to create a delightful chutney or sauce. It pairs wonderfully with grilled chicken or fish. In conclusion, passion fruit is not only a delicious tropical treat, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Incorporating it into your diet can have a positive impact on your health. So why not explore the
diverse ways to enjoy passion fruit and reap the benefits of this exotic fruit? Give it a try and let your taste buds and body thank you for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.